Welcome back, everyone. This is Enzymes Part 1. Today we'll explore how enzymes enable life by accelerating biochemical reactions and why they matter for physiology and exams. Have you wondered how millions of chemical reactions occur each second inside your body without notice? Examples include digestion, breathing, heartbeat, and even neural signaling. If these reactions proceeded at their uncatalyzed rates, essential processes would be far too slow and life as we know it would not persist. The solution lies in enzymes. Enzymes are biological catalysts, mostly proteins, that speed reactions by lowering activation energy while remaining unchanged themselves. In this video, we'll define enzymes, examine structure and active sites, discuss characteristics and classifications, and explain coenzymes with clear visuals for exam preparation. Start by picturing an enzyme as a three-dimensional molecular machine with a specialized active site designed to bind substrates precisely and promote chemistry. Definition: an enzyme is a protein or RNA catalyst that increases reaction rates by stabilizing transition states and providing alternate, lower-energy reaction pathways. The active site is a small region of the enzyme where substrate binding and chemistry occur. Its shape and chemical groups determine specificity and catalytic power. Substrate specificity means enzymes prefer particular molecules. Specificity depends on complementary shapes, charges, hydrogen bonding, and hydrophobic interactions between enzyme and substrate. The induced fit model describes how enzymes change shape upon substrate binding to form a tighter, more catalytically competent complex that stabilizes the transition state. Imagine a three-dimensional cartoon enzyme moving and closing around a substrate, aligning catalytic residues to break and form bonds efficiently and selectively. Next, we'll examine key properties like kinetics, turnover numbers, saturation behavior, and how environmental factors affect enzymatic activity in biological systems. Enzymes lower activation energy by stabilizing the transition state, which increases the fraction of molecules able to reach product without altering overall thermodynamics. Turnover number, or kcat, describes how many substrate molecules a single enzyme molecule converts to product per unit time under saturated conditions. Enzyme saturation occurs when increasing substrate no longer increases rate. The maximum rate under saturation is Vmax, determined by enzyme concentration and kcat. Km, the Michaelis constant, equals the substrate concentration at which the reaction rate is half of Vmax and reflects enzyme affinity for substrate. Temperature and pH influence enzyme shape and charge. Each enzyme has an optimal temperature, and pH deviations reduce activity and can cause irreversible denaturation. Inhibition can be reversible or irreversible. Competitive inhibitors compete with substrate at the active site. Non-competitive inhibitors bind elsewhere and reduce catalytic efficiency. Enzyme classification groups enzymes into 6 major classes: oxidoreductases, transferases, hydrolases, lyases, isomerases, and ligases, based on the reactions they catalyze. For example, hydrolases catalyze bond cleavage with water, transferases move functional groups between molecules, and oxidoreductases mediate electron transfer reactions. Many enzymes require cofactors. Coenzymes are organic cofactors like NAD+, FAD, and coenzyme A that transiently carry electrons or chemical groups during catalysis. Some cofactors are tightly bound as prosthetic groups, while others associate loosely and shuttle between enzymes, enabling redox chemistry or group transfer reactions. Dietary vitamins often serve as precursors to coenzymes. Deficiencies can impair enzyme function and lead to clinical metabolic disorders and diagnostic clues. Visualize a cartoon enzyme accepting a coenzyme that temporarily holds a chemical group, transfers it to another substrate, and then returns to be reused. Summary: enzymes are biological catalysts with specific active sites that lower activation energy, increasing reaction rates without changing reaction equilibrium. Key exam points to remember include active site, substrate specificity, induced fit, Km, Vmax, Kcat, inhibition types, cofactors, and the role of vitamins. Practice sketching enzyme substrate complexes, labeling active site residues, and explaining how changes in conditions affect kinetics to reinforce conceptual understanding. This video includes closed captions and clear on-screen definitions to support diverse learners. Pause, review, and use the slides to revise effectively for exams. Continue to Enzymes Part 2, where we'll cover enzyme kinetics, detailed Michaelis-Menten equations, inhibition analysis, and regulatory mechanisms in metabolism. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, enable captions, and revisit these concepts often. Good luck with your studies and exam preparation.